Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Helpdesk plugin of RedmineUP via the Bitnami Redmine virtual image. So we are going to use the VirtualBox. However, it is up to you. You could use any other software for virtualization. Alright, so let's start our VirtualBox. So here it is. We just click on Start. Now we have to wait a couple of seconds for the virtual machine to start. And here it is. I would like to make a small note. Here is an address where your Redmine is located. However, it could be something else, so you could change this address and it is just a default message. So you could check this via the command hostname I. Alright, in our case it is the same. However, as we have said, could be something else, so this command is useful for you in the future. Alright, so let's go to our address of the Redmine, which ends in 47. Now we wait for Redmine to start. Okay, here it is. When we go to administration, then information, we will see that we have Redmine Contacts plugin installed. And we have Redmine version 5.11 stable. Just one other note, Redmine Contacts is needed for the Helpdesk to work. However, the free light version of the Contacts plugin is enough for these purposes. So you could go anytime to our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and then products, and then CRM, and here you could download and install it for free. However, it is needed for the Helpdesk to be able to work. Okay, so let's go back to our command line. Now we go back to directory opt Bitnami Redmine plugins, and now we are going to download the plugin via wget command. Just to note that there is another way. You could use also machine and file manager. So you could log in into your guest machine, which is the virtual machine, and transfer the file from your host machine, that is your computer, just via these arrows here. You could copy the file in this way. However, in our current example, we are going to use the wget command. So let's go. Okay, so we have just pasted our link for downloading the file. It is the latest Helpdesk version, that is by now 4.2.1. So we click enter and it is successfully downloaded. We could list it and see that, yeah, here it is. This is the zip file and the installed contacts plugin. Now we unzip it via the unzip command. Okay, and we remove the zipped file because we no longer need it. Okay, now we list again and we see that the two plugins are now appearing here. Now we return back to the core Redmine folder and run the bundle install. It is going to install all the needed gems for the Helpdesk to work. It is 81 gems installed. Alright, the next command is going to be the migration. So it is going to be bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here the name is Redmine Contacts Helpdesk. Okay, and Rails env, it is production. Alright, now we just wait for the migration to start. And here it is. These lines are showing that the tables of migration are being successfully processed. For example, here it is, creating helpdesk mail rules, migrating. Alright, so the very last step, by the way, it is a very important step, so please don't miss it. We are going to restore our services and Redmine. It is done via sudo opt bitnami control script restart. Okay, so let's go back to our Redmine and just double check if everything is fine. So we refresh our page, yeah, and just wait. Something went wrong. Let's go and see. Alright, after a short investigation, I have just found that there is a permission problem. It is a common problem, by the way, with the logs of the Helpdesk plugin. So to know how to fix this, you have to go to our Helpdesk documentation and scroll down to the troubleshooting. Here it is. And there is an article that is named "I've installed Helpdesk and my Redmine crashed." So it is explained here that some of these directories are going to need permissions. So in our case, the log directory and the Redmine Helpdesk log was missing some permissions. So let's go back to the command line. Yeah, so we see that here when we list the files, the production.log file of the Redmine has these permissions, and the Redmine helpdesk.log is missing permissions. Okay, so to fix this problem, we just used this command, and now the permissions are granted for both production.log and Redmine helpdesk.log. Okay, so let's just restart once again the system and see what is going to happen. Okay, so let's return back to our error page. And ta-da! We see that everything is up and running now. Our Helpdesk plugin is successfully installed and running. So thank you very much for watching this video. Before starting the video, I didn't know what will happen. However, we made two-in-one thing. We just learned now how to install the Helpdesk plugin via the Bitnami Redmine virtual image on VirtualBox, and also troubleshooting the error of the missing permissions on the Redmine logs. So I hope everything is fine with your Redmine, and if you have some problems or errors, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers will help you fix any problems. Thanks again for watching this video, and bye bye for now.